Hello, hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with some birthday mail. Birthday mail. Yes. The funny thing is I took a nap yesterday afternoon. I was waking up and Diamond handed me this package. And it's from Amazon. And I'm like, I don't have something from Amazon. She goes, well, it's in your name. So I thought, oh my God, did I do 3 o'clock Amazon shopping? Because I do a lot of window shopping. And then if I'm really tired, I was like, did I buy this? Well, so I open it, and the person that sent it to me does not want to be known out on YouTube land, but she knows who she is. Thank you so much. And after I show one, I'm going to tell you a little story behind it. So I'm going to start with it. So look at it. It's a shower curtain. I wish you could see a picture, so I didn't unfold it, but you can probably look this up on Amazon. It is Starry Night shower curtain by Van Gogh. This is gorgeous. Now, this is Starry Night on the Ruins. I'm sorry. I bought Starry Night shower curtain. And the person that purchased this for me reached out to Diamond going, try to get your mom to stop buying. So now I have Starry Night and Starry Night on the Ruins. I'm actually switching it out because I actually like this one better than the one I bought. And the person that purchased this, like, you can send him back. And I'm like, no, I'll switch them out. I'll switch them out back and forth. But it's just gorgeous. The colors are brighter in this one than the other one. But that's how Starry Night is. Starry Night is darker than Starry Night on the Ruins is more vibrant, even in his paintings. But look at this. It's just, oh my God, I can't. I can't show it. I mean, look at it's just, oh, it's just, look at that. It's gorgeous. And then you got the people. It's just, oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. So, like I said, I'm not sending either one back. The only time I exchange, I guess, is if it's clothing and it doesn't fit me. Yep. Like, I will switch back and forth. Matter of fact, I'm going to be putting this one up because I want to see it up. And I figured, first I was going to, like, take mine and thought I'd make a curtain out of it. And I'll split it down the middle in my window. I'm going to leave it the way it is, and I'm just going to switch them back and forth, you know. Take one down, wash one, put the other one up for a while, back and forth. As Diamond said, I have my mother's definitely in me because my mom loved to decorate. So, the next thing, I got a Van Gogh coloring book. And this is awesome because there's some images in here. I did get coloring images from a lady off Etsy, but there's some in here that I didn't have. So, and I like that in front of the book. It shows you each one. They're all numbered, and then it also goes in the back of the book. And then on the back, they're not double-sided, so that's cool and gives you a little history of Van Gogh. And then you have the image. And the thing is, I'm going to display a lot of my own coloring of his paintings that I color with alcohol markers, and I'm going to frame them. And then on the back of each one, it tells you what it is and the year and all this. There's a few in here that I don't have, or I haven't even seen. I'll show you the one I was like, what? But a lot of the images itself, like this one, I don't have that one. So that was cool. And I don't think I have that one either. And I like how you can, like, this is the street in Santa Maris, 1888. So there's a lot in the color book itself that I don't have. So that is so cool. And I'm like, hey, I can take this out when I have to go out to Diamonds or something. I'm going to put a piece of chipboard in the center so alcohol don't bleed on the next one. Unless, like this one. The girls or the babies. The two little girls, 1890. I didn't have that one. And this one. So that was pretty cool that there's some in here that I don't have. So that was awesome sauce. And then, of course, shows you what colors they are. And I try to color them with alcohol marker. It's pretty much similar to the colors he used in paint. Someday I'll get the nerve and try to actually use paint to paint him. Then, there's this bag full of goodness. Ooh. Let me get a piece of paper here. And I looked at this last night. I started this video last night, but I was so tired. that I decided, no, I'm going to wait. I was yawning through it after I rewatched it. I'm like, nope. So here we go. It's called Deco Paper. And look at there's Van Gogh. Some stamps. So let's see. This is awesome. And I had this on my wish list. So I don't know if she asked me what was on my wish list or what. But you get the little stamp images. Look at Mona Lisa. And I recognize that one. I'll have to look those two up. Then you get some Van Gogh ones. I'm going to bring you guys down so you can kind of see better. How's that? Right there. That looks good. And there, I guarantee this is, I know there's stamps out that the post office put out. And at one time, I'd love to get them. That would be so cool to have. And there's just little ephemera pieces throughout the whole little bag. And I think there's like 2 of each. There's his flowers. And I think there's different artists as well in here. I'm not positive. There's like little ephemera, like this is in the land where poppies bloom. And so that is so cool. And there's like these little pieces. Look at that. And little frames. Oops. That one. Some more frames. More little stamps. And I believe they're sticker because on some of them, there's like this plastic coating. I'm not going to, how I want to go put it on something. I'll figure that out. And then there's a little frame and a little writing piece. Like little mini tags. And some more. There's another one of the sceneries. There's another frame. And there's like this shaped. Some more little stamps. Oh, look at his images. That's so cool. Little magnifying glass. Then little ones of his pictures. And then some more of this little writing. I'm going to try to get the magnifying glass, see if I can read that. It's so tiny. And that one. Some more like that. Some more like that. More little stamps. It's such a neat little pack. There we go. Okay. And I don't know if they're individual or if that's one whole thing, but even if they aren't individual, I could cut real fine down the center. Oh, so that one, and that one. I'm trying to go fast as there's a lot in this, but they're so cool. And then some more little like frames. And then there's all these little wood pieces. The shark redemption, and then little ones like this. And more like that. Some frames. "20,000 Leagues." Look at them. They're so cute. And oh, look at there. They're so neat. This was a cool little pack. Some more stamps and then wax seals. And they're very thin, almost like tissue or vellum paper thin, kind of. So, like that. And then, oh, here's some more. See, there's so much that are so cool. You know, there's like book titles in here, little paper, little stamps. It's just a whole bundle. Look at them. And then there's these little telegrams and letters, little postcards, and then a book, I believe. Another postcard, and then music sheets, and it looks like newspaper clippings. More music sheets and ledgers. Oh, here's another one of those little stamps, and then more telegrams, and then like a letter, postcards, letter, little ephemera, just a cute, awesome ephemera. Look at little circle pieces too. They're throughout. Some art. I mean, this was a cute pack. I love it. And this is a sticker. I'm going to slowly peel that off. And use that too, because that's cool. Look at me. Or if I don't peel it off. Actually, I'm just going to peel that off. So that's cool. And that's even in there. There's like 2 of that shape in there. I don't know if I showed it. But you know who you are. And I love you. And thank you so much for the wonderful birthday present. It was quite a surprise. Even if I was like flipping out there for a little bit when Diamond handed me the Amazon thing. Because I was like, I didn't order Amazon. And I'm like, did I do 3 o'clock shopping when I was up having when I wake up, or if I can't sleep, I watch YouTube videos and then I'll do some window shopping. And I have ordered stuff that I forgot that I ordered at 3 o'clock in the morning. So I thought this was this. And I'm thinking, but why didn't it track on my Amazon? So I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank my person that thought of me to send me such a wonderful birthday present. You know who you are. Thank you again. And I love it. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.